Yerp! What's up, y'all? Cormax Quid. Today we back for another video. Alright, we're here to look at Love, Live, Serve type of sneezes. Now, I already know who these guys are. I've been watching Rhino and Noah Boat for a minute, probably about like 2 years now. The ones that I've been watching a lot were the music videos that don't match, blaring inappropriate music in the library. Those were funny. I really like those. Those joints are fire. I can't hold it. So we'll go check this out. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you do, like, comment, subscribe. And with that being said, let's get into it.
The guy with the soft ass sneeze. When you got food in your mouth.
That's disgusting. Bro, this is time in high school. I was with my friend in the cafeteria. We were talking about something. We were laughing and joking around. He had to sneeze. Like, hold on, bro, I gotta sneeze. Mind you, he didn't even cover his mouth. He had a mouthful of food. He said, "Achoo!" Sprayed my face. Pause. Bro, I was so pissed off. Bro, I almost had to fight him, bro. I was mad, but I ain't fight him. I probably should have.
Poop sneeze. Atomic bomb. The
Extra.
girl with the cute sneeze. The kid in chorus class.
He started saying
When T-Pain sneezes.
And me, I can put you in a mansion.
How you sneeze around your crush.
Achoo.
The sneeze. When your pet sneezes. The wiper.
That's disgusting.
When you feel
Bro, they did, bro. I know so many people who did that. They sneeze. They're like, "Achoo!" Wipe it off, and they'll be like, "What's up, Quay?" Like, no, get away from me, bro. You literally just sneezed in that hand, bro. If you don't, I hate you.
a sneeze coming, but then it dissipates.
I hate that. They just go away. Oh well.
The disgusting person that doesn't cover their mouth. Oh my god.
Disgusting motherfucker. Yeah, that joint
When you
nasty.
sneeze and some stuff comes out. Ugh. Yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know when this happens to you in class and you're just stuck there and it's like, oh shoot, gross.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Then you gotta run to the bathroom. Yep.
When someone says something to make you not sneeze.
Pineapple.
He's like, oh.
The girl that doesn't like her actual sneeze, so she tries her absolute hardest to have a cute sneeze. The person who doesn't say bless you.
Okay.
Excuse me.
What? Did you?
You ain't gonna bless me?
Are you not gonna say?
Alright.
Oh my god. The single. The double. The triple.
Dab.
The quadruple. The infinity sneeze.
Alright, bro.
Freeze frame.
I don't even know what this one is.
Not
Bro,
sure.
I don't know what that one is either. That's something we don't know.
The loud for no
That's-
reason.
Bro.
What? Why are you looking at me?
The oh hell nah.
Yo, it's good, bro.
Oh hell no.
Exactly, bro. Nasty. Nah.
What's going on?
Bro, get away.
The person who does the absolute most for no reason.
Yo, this is facts. This is pure facts, bro.
Oh shit! Achoo!
Hey, yo.
Achoo!
White people.
Achoo! Achoo!
Hey, I ain't say nothing. I ain't say nothing, bro. Listen, we just gonna keep going. Just gonna keep going.
They be doing it that way. This. Black people will make a beat out of anything.
And then she said she didn't get the Loveless Surf socks. And I was like, okay, yeah, this isn't gonna work. Like, how could you not get the best socks out there right now? Like, that was just crazy to me.
How could you
Pure
not
facts.
get the socks? That's like a Mando. What the hell?
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, bless you. Wait a second. Do that again?
Huh?
Like sneeze.
Sneeze on command again.
Okay.
Wait a second. Let me record that real quick. Here. Do a sneeze in the room. Hell yeah. Give me a second. Audio recording. GQ.
Bro, this is. Okay. 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 Ooh.
The person who makes the ugly ass face before they sneeze.
That's me. Yeah, that's me.
The mute.
The annoyed sneeze.
That corny ass person that says gazoon tight. Gazoon tight.
Bro, nobody likes you.
Whatever.
Whatever.
Out of space.
When you don't sneeze.
The throw up sneeze.
Oh, no. Hey. Nah. Nobody likes that. Alright.
The burp sneeze fart, also known as the burp snort.
When you're allergic
You
to
can't do that at one. Bruh, Rhino like, you good?
What the hell was all that? Is this like a joke on me or something? I'm not ugly. Why is that? That's not funny. Stop zooming in on me. Stop. Oh my god. All the time.
The disgusting ass person that sneezes into the salad bar. I know y'all seen them before, like a Golden Corral, like Ruby Tuesday. They be sneezing in the salad bar. Ugh,
Hey, I don't eat in the salad bar. I'm good. I don't worry about it. Anybody who do, that's unfortunate. Just mix it. Go ahead. Mix it up. Yep. Uh-huh.
Blind guy.
Huh?
Hey, I don't sneeze any different from the rest of y'all.
Look this way. The camera's over here.
Okay, well, I can't see. How am I supposed to know?
Okay, well, face to your left. Follow my voice.
Your left is different from my left.
Your left. Face the camera.
I can't see,
Your
okay?
left. I'm over here.
I'm blind.
Look.
I'm blind.
You gotta look this way.
Okay, I don't sneeze
All right,
any
a
different from
little
the
bit
rest
to
of
the
y'all.
right a little bit. To the right a little. Oh wait, no, go back. Wait.
I don't
Right there,
sneeze.
wait.
I said I don't sneeze any different from the rest of you
Okay,
guys.
but for the purposes of the skit, it's funny, okay? Now we can focus. All right, now from the top.
The deaf guy.
Cool. Could you do that again? Could you do that? Oh, my fault.
Oh yeah, that's it for the video. That is the types of sneezes by Loveless Serve. Funny video. Hilarious video. These are facts. I got the ugly sneeze. A little bit of the extra sneeze, except I don't do the worm, I don't break dance. You feel me? I don't do none of that. But nah, I hated the ones where they sneeze and then they try to shake your hand and be like, "Phew! What's up, bro? Up top," or "Dap me up, bro." No. I can give you this is the most I can give right. I can give you this. That's it. That's all I got for you. You know what I mean? That's it's disgusting. But nah, this is funny. Like I said, this is funny. It's hilarious. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you do, I appreciate it. You feel me? And with that being said, I'm out.